understanding the many meanings of roll. Hello dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the word roll. It may seem simple, but this word has a variety of meanings and uses in the English language. By the end of this video, you'll be rolling with confidence as you use this word in your conversations. Let's get started. Roll, as a verb, can mean to move by turning over and over. The ball rolled down the hill. To rotate or turn, she rolled her eyes at the joke. To flatten or spread with a rolling pin, he rolled out the dough. As a noun, a small piece of bread, often round in shape. She ate a roll with her soup. A list or register, his name is on the honor roll. English is full of colorful expressions, and roll finds its way into many of them. Roll with the punches, to adapt to adversity without getting upset. On a roll, having a series of successes. Roll out the red carpet, to give someone a special treatment. Let the good times roll, an expression encouraging fun or celebration. Phrasal verbs are a combination of words that take on unique meanings when used together. Here are a few with roll. Roll up. To arrive or to make something into the shape of a tube or cylinder. Roll out. To launch a new product or service. Roll over. To turn over or to reinvest funds in a financial context. Roll back. To reduce or return something to a previous level. While roll is versatile, it's essential to know how to use it correctly. Correct. He's on a roll with his studies. Incorrect. He's on roll with his studies. Correct. Could you roll up the map? Incorrect. Could you roll the map up? Roll is a versatile word with various meanings and uses. We've only scratched the surface today, but I hope this gives you a good start. Remember, as with all things in language learning, practice makes perfect. Keep rolling in your English journey, and until next time, take care and happy learning.